first thing that we're going to do is go in with the Morphe 35K palette, and we are going to use this little bit lighter color right here. We're just going to do our creases. Sticking with the 35K palette from Morphe, we're going to go in with the color right next to it, right there. And this one we're just going to take all over the eyes. Okay, once we have that built up on our eyes, we're going to go in with the Supreme Seductress palette. And we are going to take this really pretty shade, Candlelit, right over here. So when we have that built up the way that we want it, we're going to stick with the Supreme Seductress palette, and we are going to go in just with the Thunderstorm, the black that's in here. That's just right here. We're going to build that up in the outer corner of our eye. Then just go back in with that very first color that we used from the Morphe palette and just kind of soften up those edges on the outside of the eye. We're going to take some black eyeliner and just do the bottom waterline of our eye. And as you can see, it's not perfect, so we're actually going to go in with that black color from the Supreme Seductress palette, and we're just going to smoke out that bottom eye. Then go back in with that first color from the Morphe palette, and we're really going to just soften this bottom line. Then we're going to add our eyelashes next. Then finish it off with a little mascara. So here we have the final look. It's a really easy bronze smoky eye. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.